If you want to become rich, belief and intention are two of the most powerful tools available to you. They are also two of the things that most people are the least willing to put any effort into. Instead, people all too often just sit back and expect that wealth is somehow going to come to them. They conveniently ignore the fact that counting on luck is a strategy that rarely works. But the good news is that having a wealth mindset and taking concrete steps to bring money into your life has been proven to work. And to help you develop the right mentality, I'm going to show you some simple steps that you can take to change your thinking. So grab a pen and paper and let's dive right in. Number 1, develop a positive attitude about money. What a lot of people don't realize is that our attitude towards money can be just as important as our actual efforts in earning it. Negative beliefs and feelings about money can be more powerful than positive ones. So it's crucial to make sure that our perceptions around wealth are positive if we want to create real abundance in our lives. Think about it this way. If you believe that wealthy people are all greedy and selfish, you're not likely to set your sights very high when it comes to your own finances. On the other hand, if you see wealth as something attainable and something that can make your life better, you're much more likely to put forth the effort to achieve it. So if you're looking to create a wealth mindset, the first step is to adjust your attitude towards money. Believe that you can have it, that you deserve it, and that it will make your life better. Number 2, focus on creating value. If you want to get rich, forget about focusing solely on making more money. That's the old school way of thinking, and it simply doesn't work anymore. Instead, focus on creating value. The more value you can provide to the world, the more you can expect to receive in return. Most people make roughly the same amount of money each year because they deliver the same amount of value each year. So if you want to increase your wealth, you need to find ways to provide more value. You can do this by developing new skills, creating new products or services, or finding new ways to improve existing ones. The sky is the limit when it comes to creating value, and the more value you create, the more wealth you will ultimately achieve. Number 3, surround yourself with the right people. No matter what your goals are, it's important to surround yourself with like-minded individuals if you want to achieve success. This doesn't mean that you need to cut all your old friends out of your life, but it does mean that you should seek out relationships with people who can help you achieve your goals. When you hang out with people that share your vision of the future, they can provide the support and validation you need to stay on track and persevere through the tough times. So to achieve a genuine wealth mindset, make sure to surround yourself with ambitious, like-minded individuals. It'll make a big difference in achieving your financial goals. Number 4, ignore the doubters. When it comes to shifting your mindset, one of the most important things you can do is be willing to ignore the naysayers. Yes, that's right, turn a deaf ear to Aunt Nancy when she starts going on about how money is the root of all evil, and to Cousin Edgar when he tries to convince you that saving is for suckers. Remember, they're just jealous that you're on the path to financial success, and they're not. So let them live their lives in their small-minded way and focus on creating the life of your dreams. Because at the end of the day, isn't that what we all want? To be happy and fulfilled, living our best lives? So ignore the haters and create the life you've always wanted. It's up to you. Number 5, be respectful. Just as you wouldn't dream of being disrespectful to your significant other, you should also show money the same level of courtesy. After all, if you aren't respectful of your partner, they'll eventually leave you, and the same is true of money. How you treat your finances is a direct reflection of your attitude towards money. Are your bills organized, or are they all over the house? Do you pay them on time? Anything that involves money should get your attention and respect. By respecting money, you'll be sending a powerful message that you're ready and willing to handle it in a mature, responsible way. And that's an important step in creating the wealth mindset. Number 6, eliminate expenses that aren't meaningful. It's not necessary to wash your clothes by hand, but if you haven't used your home alarm system in 6 months, why are you paying for the service? Look at all your monthly bills and expenses and eliminate those things that don't bring you any kind of value. You may find that you don't need that gym membership after all, or that you can save on your car insurance by raising your deductible. By getting rid of unnecessary expenses, you'll free up more money to invest in things that will create long-term wealth for you. It will also begin the process of shifting your thinking away from needless spending. So take a close look at your expenses and get rid of anything that isn't truly important to you. Doing so is another step forward on the path to financial success. Number 7, leverage your strengths. As anyone who's ever tried to fix their plumbing knows, it's often more intelligent to use your strengths than to try to build up your weaknesses. The same principle applies when it comes to creating wealth. Rather than spending valuable time and energy trying to become good at everything, it makes more sense to focus on your strengths and delegate the rest to others. Not only will this save you time and effort, but it will also allow you to leverage your strengths to create wealth. After all, someone else is bound to be better at the things that you're not good at. So why not let them use their talents to help you achieve your financial goals? By leveraging your strengths, you can create a wealth mindset that will serve you well in both the short and long term. And that's a wrap for how to create a wealth mindset. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to leave a like so we know you want to see more of these types of videos. Until next time, have a great day.